How do you see this current situation, especially when you talk about your Congress party regenerating it, and suddenly in a flop like 10 MLAs from your side party moves to BJP
That also one way of regenerating the party.
because they are going.
So all the opportunities has left the party also now. All the greedy people has left the party, and those who have been branded as a rapist, matka business wholesale dealers, all have now gone and settled in BJP. Maybe BJP might have had a business deal with the matka businessman. How do I come to know that? What has happened behind the screen, nobody knows about it now. It is not the Congress party has filed a case against Babu on Matka case. Not the Congress party has never filed a case against Babush and the rape case is issued. It is only the BJP has filed a case, and the entire election campaign in Panchayam by-election, from the chief minister to the grassroots worker of the BJP, they went to each and every door and told the people to safeguard your wife, safeguard your daughter. You vote for BJP, not to Babush.
So what happens to your Congress party now, especially MLAs, because another 2 days time assembly session starts.
Yeah.
So how will the Congress party get together to fight as an opposition with 4 to 5 MLAs of yours?
Even one person is enough. If he has a commitment, dedication, and love with the people of the Goa to fight against all in front. We have 5 elephants, 5 tigers and lions. What else you want? We will fight. We will expose the BJP.
So Babu has said time and again when Congress were trying to form government, some of the senior leaders were getting hurdles in between. That's the reason they have moved from here.
So they are only for the power. So they are in the politics only for the power, making money. What does it mean? I don't know. I couldn't understand. I was an MLA 10 years. I sat in the opposition. I could deliver so much for my constituency people than the ruling party MLA. It all depends on your own commitment, your involvement.
Is the Congress party ready to get join hands with other independents or other coalition, other political parties to take up this ruling-led government in the assembly?
See, always that's the leader of the house. He'll make his floor coordination.
What do you have to say about Reginald being the person still standing to his principles and all?
He's fighting for the cause of the people. Yes, welcome it. I used to encourage it also. I want him to continue his way of functioning.
Will he lead the opposition, the Congress party in the assembly?
Not alone me. It is all the 4-5 MLAs has to come to a conclusion and a consensus has to come. After that, my party leadership has to accept it.